If you've ever used UpKeep, or really any software for that matter, you've probably had some cool ideas about how it could work better for you. But feature requests tend to end up in this black hole, or worse, they end up on the roadmap forever. Now, you don't have to wait for us. You can build it yourself in 5 minutes. It's called Nova Apps, and here's how it works. Building an app is as easy as talking with Nova. Hey, I need an app that helps me understand what work orders have timers running. I'd like to see a list of every single work order with a timer running, who started that timer, and how long that specific timer has been running for. Okay, fantastic. So Nova finished the initial stab at my app here, and so I can see I've got 13 active timers. Great, this is starting to look like what I want, but I'm noticing some things off the bat that I'd like changed. All I have to do to edit the app is just continue to talk to Nova. Okay, this is definitely headed in the right direction. I'm noticing that the started by field shows UpKeep always, but I was hoping to have the username or the first and last name of the user that did start that timer. Additionally, I'd like to have a button that I could click for any given work order that sends a message on the work order nudging that user to stop their timer. Especially in cases where the timer has been running for what is obviously too long, like some of the examples. Okay, fantastic. So while Nova works on making these tweaks, I'll go ahead and share a couple other of the features of apps inside of Nova. So I open up a new tab here. You'll notice that the side navigation has changed. Intelligence has been removed, and now all of Nova's features live in the left-hand panel. From here, you can directly access chat, scheduled tasks, or custom apps. In the custom apps area, you can see all of the apps that you have built, as well as the apps that have been shared to you. Sharing apps is super easy. All you have to do is take any app, and over here, there'll be a button to share. When you share an app, you can share it with either individual users within your organization, or you can share it across your entire org, meaning everyone in your account who has access to Nova will be able to view these apps. In addition to sharing apps, you can also generate unique URLs for apps. Come over here, click copy app URL, and if you paste that in a new browser window, you'll be brought directly to that application without the UpKeep CMMS shell. This can be incredibly useful. Bookmark this and then come back to this app anytime you need to do something like review your open work orders or look at those work orders with timers still running. Okay, let's check back in on our work order timer app. Okay, awesome. So now my started by is fixed. It's got the right name. I can see how long each timer has been running. Oh, and I can click nudge to stop timer, which looks like it will post to a work order directly and tag the user. So that's perfect. Awesome. One more thing to highlight here is that as you are building that app, you can change the way you're viewing it. So you can, view what this app would look like on a tablet, view it on a mobile device in either portrait or landscape. So you can build an app that's optimized for a mobile device, for a tablet, if that app is going to be used out in the field. When you get to a point where you're happy with the way your app is working, you can save a version. You don't need to save apps. They'll automatically be saved to your library as you create them. But when you save a version and make future changes, you can always return to a previous version if you don't like the way the app was changed. And really, it's about as simple as that. Just talk to Nova, tell it what you need, build your app, come back to it here at any point. As always, thanks for watching. Keep the feedback rolling. We've got a lot of really fun stuff planned.